this is nicer than in a restaurant. Hi, this is Charles. I'm currently here in front of the Seria Grand Bowling Center, but I'm not going in there because I'm gonna check out Let's Eat Seria in front of me.
Kaya udang galah.
Hi. Coffee.
فيش أحلى دنيا.
This one seems to have a very long queue, so I'm queuing for this one. Thank you. Bye-bye. I'm now at the beach. This is the best place to see the sunset as well as to have the food that I bought from the stores. So where am I gonna have the dinner? Just got this ice chendol and also the rice from all these cafes just now. So I'm gonna have the dinner here. Let's look at the sunset. So it's 6:29 now. I'm gonna have the food so I can eat in the public now. Let's have the drink first. It's good. Sauce. I know it's a very nice view, but the problem is because it's very windy, everything will just fly away. Okay, so I'm trying this chicken. Let's try the chicken. It's very good. Alright, that's all for now. I'm gonna have my dinner now and enjoy the beautiful view. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye bye.